In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect two AirPods to Android. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have two distinct sets of AirPods, you will be able to easily connect them to the same Android device and listen to the audio feed the same way across both of them. You can individually control the volume and everything will be transferred over to both AirPods. So first, go ahead and connect them to your device. You will usually do this through Bluetooth. So all that you have to do is put them inside of the charging case, open the lid, and as long as the AirPods are inside of the charging case with the lid open, they should immediately go into pairing mode. If they don't, look for a button on the back of the charging case. This will also manually put them in pairing mode. So immediately upon setting them in pairing mode, go over to the settings on your Android device, access the Bluetooth category, and make sure that it is enabled. With Bluetooth enabled and the charging case in pairing mode with the actual AirPods inside, you will be able to find them under the list of available devices. So all that you have to do is tap on them in this list. Once you select the AirPods from this list, they will remain connected to your Android device. Now, you will be able to set up dual audio. The thing is that each specific device, each specific manufacturer is going to use this technology in a different way. For Samsung devices, you will be able to find it under the media category when you bring down the dashboard, and inside of media, you can find dual audio. So by checking these circles at the right side of each audio device that you have connected, in this specific case, the AirPods, just ignore this example here, you will be able to listen to the same audio feed across both devices. You can individually control the volume and so on. For other Android devices from Google, for example, this feature is called multi-point. Essentially, you will have to look for instructions on how to enable dual audio on a specific Android device that you have. But for Samsung, it can be found under Media, and for Google, it is going to be multi-point. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect two AirPods to Android. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.